Well, during the winter months, you'll be spending a lot of time inside, and as you take a look around your house, you may be thinking, well, now's a good time for me to paint the inside of my house. Well, what do you do with that leftover paint? Here to answer that question is Jennifer Myatt.
I'm Jennifer Myatt with Lexington's Division of Environmental Policy. Today we are going to talk about what to do with leftover paint. So you've probably had a situation at your house where you've been painting the outside of your house or your children's bedroom or anything, and you have some leftover paint and you're not sure what to do with it. You have a couple of options, and one of these options is that you can donate leftover latex paint to the Habitat for Humanity Restore on Southland Drive. So that's a great option if you have a lot of paint and you feel like somebody else might be able to use it for their own home projects. If you have a lot of different cans of paint, maybe you have 3 or 4 different cans of paint with different colors and you just need to get rid of it instead of donate it, then you can throw the paint into your regular waste stream. However, you have to make sure that the paint is not liquid anymore, because that can leak out of the waste truck and cause stormwater pollution when it gets onto our street, and it makes a huge mess. So you have a couple of options. One is to use kitty litter or sawdust to solidify the paint before you put it into your Herbie, and another one is that you can use paint crystals. And you can get these paint crystals at Lexington's Recycling Center at 360 Thompson Road. And basically these paint crystals harden your paint and they work right away. One package of paint crystals will work for about 2/3 of a gallon of paint, so you can pick up as many as you need, and we recommend that you consolidate all of your paint into as few paint cans as possible. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your paint crystals here, so I'm only going to use half of the crystals, and you take your lid off and you pour the crystals in and you stir it. You might have to add a little more, but as you can see, it solidifies right away. So now your paint is solidified and it won't leak out of the truck. So you replace the lid, and you can take your can and place it next to your Herbie on your collection day on the curb. Now your paint can is placed on your curb next to your Herbie, and the paint is solidified so that it won't cause stormwater pollution and it will not leak out of Waste Management's truck. So if you have any other questions about paint disposal or other environmental issues, you can call LexCall at 311 or 425-CALL.